Island girl here. Don't know what I'm doing today. Other than baking. Baking a little bit. Baking a little bit. Baking a little bit today. And now, cutting up some strawberries. Cutting up some strawberries here for my strawberry daiquiri cake.
That was stupid. I think I got it on the lid.
It's okay. It ain't cooking. It ain't something I need right now. That's why I keep it covered, just in case. Or you coming in here trying to cook, thinking he can cook. If it's a season of some steak, y'all. Y'all want to see that? If it's a season of some steak. So, let him do what he do. Give me some strawberry daiquiri. I got my little strawberry cutter. You see that? Let me cut all my strawberries up. You should get you one. Yay! So I want to make me a whole puree of strawberries along with strawberry pieces or slices. I know y'all probably more. Really?
Oh, my bad.
I'm sorry. He's so respectful. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway. Yeah, let's see what if it's the makeup in here. What if it's a mess up? Made my little strawberry daiquiri mix. And now, trying to put it all over my strawberry. I'm gonna stick this in the refrigerator for about a day or so. Then I'm gonna use it to make my cake. Y'all should have already seen that strawberry. Hopefully y'all seen it. My strawberry daiquiri cake I made. I shared with y'all on my channel. So y'all trying to get the recipe, you'll find it there. So strawberries ready for the cake. Y'all ain't, you ain't gonna tell the people what you're putting on the steak?
Y'all cook bone bird.
You ain't gonna tell the people what you're putting on the steak?
Nope. It's too much.
He said it's too much, y'all. Sorry, I don't even know. I'm sorry. If y'all want to know, put it in the comments. And I'll get it and put it in there.
Lord have mercy, you season it.
What you gonna put them on the grill or cook them in the oven?
No, disrespectful. That just disrespected me right there.
What, putting it in the oven?
Must be getting some little sissy.
I was trying to, man, it's still too fluffy. I was trying to make, dang, I might have to end up cutting these tops off. And I was trying to, I put 2 scoops of ice cream cone in one of these, and then the other one is a 1/2 cup. So I'm thinking 1 ice cream scoop is enough for each.
Woo!
What you say?
If
If you ain't
sneezing,
sneezing, you ain't seasoning.
There you go.
That's how that go. That's how that go. So anyway, I was making a lemon cake. Like my little mini lemon cake. Woo, hot. So I was trying to measure it because I wanted it to be like right on the edge. But it ain't turning out right. It's not doing what I want it to do. So you wrong for that. You won't tell the people what you cooking.
Well, it's right there. That's what I'm cooking.
I know what you cook. What all you put on it though. I don't know what to do with this right here.
What?
Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I can find what I need. Can't really find what I need. It's got a little thing in it. Text in it. Hold on again. Yeah, so I put too much batter on here. I don't know what I want to do.
Goddamn.
What?
I spilled something.
Oh, don't spill it now. This is priceless recipe.
Liquid gold.
It's liquid gold, he claimed. Let's see. Not the... I was not wanting to do this, but now I'm doing it, and I'm gonna add the glaze to it while it's warm to see. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. Hey, family. Get y'all in the mix. Okay. Just wish it wasn't so big. Anywho, let me see now. So to any of the cake pros out there, let me know how much you put in your little tin of this size to get the little mini pan. I've done it once before, I just cannot remember. Oh Lord. I just can't remember what I put in, how much I put in it. I want to say it was about a half a cup, but I can't remember. Okay, the cake's still warm. Let me just put out, I made some glaze. I made some glaze. And yes, my hands are washed. His hands are washed too. He has a rule about that. When you come in his kitchen. So, anyway. Put this glaze on here. Let me see how it tastes. It's kind of going on like butter. Y'all see it? It's going on like butter, my little glaze here. Anyway, this is lemon here for the house, so just wanted to try a little bit. Pretty good. Here you go, G. You can try this piece. You can taste this piece with the glaze. That was pretty good. Okay. Ooh, it's hot. It's pretty good. really good.
I'm definitely going that.
There we go. Pretty good. Let's see. I wanted the glaze just to glide on it. You know, I took it out the fridge and I didn't melt it. We got a whole show going on over here.
I didn't do it.
You don't like the way it look, G?
No, I just hate using the spoon. I didn't want to get my hands dirty.
And put the gloves on.
I'm not doing that. That's for liberal sissies.
He said he ain't doing
You sissy fat.
it. I thought it was, thought the ice then would have, or the glaze would have warmed up some more. And oh well. I mean, loosen up some more. Okay. It's alright. So now I'm about to, this one's still warm. So now I'm about to warm up this glaze. And put it on the cake. And see how it do. But in the future, I want it to be right at the top. It's right at the top a little bit. I don't want it poofy. So, let's see. So pretty.
I made it go.
So pretty. Let me see. Uh-oh, not done. It looked like it was done on the outside. Look perfect. Back in the oven.
I thought you zoomed in.
Nope. Okay, you guys, I'm about to just wrap this up. Waiting for my cake to come out the oven. And I'm gonna glaze that for my family. Hopefully they'll like it. Y'all have a good rest of the day. He said he's gonna put this on the grill. It's like 40-something degrees outside.
Hot as hell.
He talking about it's hot. It ain't hot out there. Anywho. Oh. Anyway, I want you to taste this lemon when you get a chance. Okay?
You talking to me?
Yeah.
Lord have mercy.
Okay, I guess he's done.
No, I'm not. I got two more.
No, you're not done. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one to the this live real quick. Hopefully this little video here brought you some value and you enjoyed it.
If you didn't croak today, hold on. You didn't croak yesterday, you didn't croak today, but you still got tomorrow. Come on back.
All right. Like I always say,
You're welcome.
take it easy.